So now we'll start with this sum. So if you see front view, so we'll draw front view as it is. See, we will draw front view as it is. So what is the length in front view? I'll ask you, then it is 70 plus 30, 100 plus 20, 120 plus 30, 150. Length is 150. How much is the height? Height is 60. How much is the width? Width is also 60. So you take 60 and length you take 150. This is origin, right? Then you draw 45, 45, 45. See, wherever origin is there, on that side you draw 45. So what you need to do, you need to draw one horizontal line and then you take 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. So this is length and height. Width will come on side view. So you take 60, 60, 60. Then what you can do, you can join. This is how it will come. Understood? Any doubt up till now? This is how we will draw box. Now, if you're done with the box, then we'll count the number of surfaces. So how many surfaces are there? So over here, if you count, this entire thing is 1 unit. We don't count dotted. Dotted is behind. And this circular part, 2. In top view, if you see, this is A, B, and C. So it makes more sense to start with front view. First, we need to decide, okay, from which view I should start. First, second, A, B, C. So if you see in this, these two are minimum, right? There are only 2 views in front view. All of you are with me in this? 1 and 2. Any doubt up till now?
No, sir.
Any question? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. So we have to go with the minimum view. So this minimum surface. So I'll go with front view. So 1 and 2. So out of 1 and 2, which one is nearer to me? How will I come to know that which one I should draw first? So I'll give you one trick. Whenever you want to find out, you always see top view, and whichever part comes to you, like whichever part is nearer to you, see this part is this one part one, and this second part is this. So which one is nearer to you? Part one, right? So we'll start with part one. Remember that. You see it from here, and then you see which part is nearer to you. This part one, right? This part one is nearer to you. So first I will draw part one. All of you got this? So first we will draw this box and we'll start with part one. So in part one, what should I draw? I should draw length, which is 90. This is 90, right? 70 plus 20, 90. And the height is 60. Again, 20. Again, you take height 30 over here and you will join. See this? So what I did, I just drew part one, right? Dimensioning wise, if you see, this is 20, this is 60, this is 90, this is 30, right? Then you take this behind, like take this behind. How much you have to go behind? 60, no? See, now this is going behind by 60. This is going behind by 60. This is going behind by 60. So in short, what I'm doing, I'm just drawing that same part behind. Always remember, whatever is there in the front, the same part is behind. So first you should draw this. Whatever you draw in your front ka box, just take it behind. Like if you've seen the first sum where I did L shape, then what I did, I replicated na that. I did that thing again. Same thing we have to do it in this. All of you are with me up till now? Can we do this much first? I'll give you
Yeah.
10 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, 7 minutes. Try and draw this. Then what you need to do, then you need to draw this line. Now part 1 is over. Now we need to draw part 2. Now part 2 is how much behind? If you see, this is part 1, this is part 1, and this is part 2. So what is the distance between them? 15, right? If you see, 15 is the distance between them. So what I will do, I will go behind by 15, right? That is this part. But if I see, I can draw this part A. Now see, whenever you're drawing the second part, now make sure that you draw thoda light, so you don't draw dark. Like suppose if you're drawing this, what I'm drawing part A. See this. So part A is done, right? Part A is also done. So now if I want to draw part 2, this part, it's here, right? So it's always better to draw rectangle. Don't go for circle. They have given circle, but you know this height is how much? 60. So can you go 60 down from here and you draw line? This is how you will draw this box. So this is 60 and this is also 60. This is how much? 15. You go 15, 60, 60, 60. This you go behind by 30 because it's given this way. So draw this and you let me know. Now, so we have done part 1, part 2 and part A. Now we need to do part C and D. So if you see part C, is width is how much? 15. And it's a slope, right? See this slope. Whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. So with that concept, you go 15 behind, you join this, right? Then if you see behind also, see there is a gap of 30. Then again there is a line. So this is how it will come. And see there is a dotted also. Right? So then dotted I'll explain. Now whatever is there at the top, मतलब जो ऊपर है, सेम चीज नीचे भी है. जो ऊपर है वो नीचे भी है. जो आगे है वो नीचे भी है. And then you draw a line from here. This line is this dotted line wala. This is how it will come. This will be down. This will be down. This will be down. So this is how it will come. See, there is a cavity over here. कुछ भी नहीं है ना यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. Now what we need to do? We need to draw this circle. So how will you draw circle? So to draw circle, we need to go inside, right? We need to go. This is 60, right? So you take 30 and you draw axis. You take 30, you draw axis. Wherever it will cut, that is point O. And from point O, you can draw a circle like this. See, we need only half circle. We don't need full circle. So draw only half circle till here. Okay, like this. Then you draw horizontal line. Sorry. All of you got this? The same thing will come behind also, but that we will do it afterwards. Then we have one more circle over here. Like this. See, it may go inside, you know, it may go inside, this much portion won't be visible. That is fine, that you need to check.
So can you explain the whole circle again, even the semicircle?
What we need to do? First, we need to draw this part B and C. Have you understood this part B and C?
Yes.
Then what I'm saying that you have this 60, 60, 60 ka square, right? This is 60, this is 60, this is 60, but we can't see, so that's why I haven't done it. So what I need to do, I need to draw a circle. So I'll take 30 and I'll go down by 30 and I will draw a circle. Got it? But I don't have to draw a full circle. I have to just draw half circle. Got it? And from the center again, I will draw a circle. Got it? So draw this much. Then I'll explain you the next part.
So what is the radius of the center circle?
This is the distance BSC 15, 15. I just write this is 15, 15, 15. The gap between them is 30. Yeah. Aditya, this is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. This is vertical line.
Okay, sir.
Aditi, this is 60 meter. So just see that this will go this side with 45 degrees set square. Line will go.
Okay.
We are taking it other way around. And we will have a recording of this. I will send it on the group so you can see again, and you can do it again. So not an issue. So you don't worry about it. So can you go ahead?
So,
Yes.
what's the radius of the smaller inner circle?
Smaller inner circle is radius 15. They have given a diameter 30. Smaller one,
Okay, sir.
smaller one is 15. The bigger one is 30. Okay. So now I will explain for the. I hope all of you are done with this much, right? So you got this point O. Now one very important thing. The same point like how we started with this, that whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind, right? With the same concept, whatever is here in front, point O, is behind also. How much it is behind? 30. So what I will do on my set square like this, I will go 30 behind. I will use different color. Which color? This color, let's see. So from here, you go behind by 30. Wherever it will cut, wherever you will get. From that point, you draw circle. Again, radius 30. So then it will be like this. Got it? This point is O, right? Sorry. So this point is O. So from O you draw radius 30. Then you go inside by 30. Like this. This is O now. So you go at 45 degree. To how much you go inside? 30. And from that point again you draw radius. Radius 30. Then you join this. And you draw tangent. Tangent with this set square. With this set square. Got it? So whatever the inner part you can erase. Sorry. I'm not able to erase it because it's very got it? This is how it will come. All of you got this? And one more
Sir,
thing.
could you repeat it?
The same point. From here you go behind by 30 and again you draw radius 15. Just check whether you are getting this part or not. Behind circle. I'm not too sure because see this distance is 30 and this is 30, so you won't be able to see. But I'm just telling you to check. It's always good to check. Maybe a slight curve or something might come. So we are done with this sum. Then what we need to do? We need to do dimensioning. We need to write 150, 60, 60, right? And then we need to write origin and 45. Got it? This is complete sum.
So in the question, it's written that do not insert any dimensions.
What is 10, 10?